How to log out 99math account. So if you want to log out from 99math account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for 99math, and here you will have 99math.com. You can simply click on that. It will take you to the web page or the website. So here, if you want to log out of your account, then you can go to this 3-bar icon which is on the upper right, and here you will have your options, right? So you can simply click on log out option, and that's it. That's how you log out from your 99math account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.